Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this wedding card book to keep your cards as a memento of your big day. For the materials, you'll need foam board, scrapbook paper, your cards, 3-inch binder rings, a hole punch, scissors, tape or some sort of adhesive, a ruler, and a photo from your wedding. First, measure how big you need to cut the foam board for the front and back of the book. I used my largest card and added some extra space. Cut it out. Then cut out the board the other direction. Take your piece of scrapbook paper and wrap it around one piece of the foam board. Do the same to the other side. This part is optional, but I decided to back my photo with the white paper to give it a little dimension. I also decided to take that same white paper to finish covering the inside of the front and back of the covers. Then measure where you would like to put the holes. I used my largest and smallest cards to see how large I could really go. Then I punched out the holes. After that, I lined up the card where the holes were on the first greeting card, marked it, then started punching them out. Then put the binder rings through the front cover and start threading on the cards. Add the back cover and close it up. And that's it! This is a really fun way to keep your cards, and I love that we can look back at all the notes people wrote to us. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching! Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.